Okay. Okay, hi. So I'm recording. Okay. So hi guys. So till now we have designed many views on Power BI. We have put in visualizations. We have created a few pages. We have learned how to interact in Power BI. So for a change, we for today the job sheet is actually, oh no, I've been logged out. Give me a sec. Okay, so if you hit to this link that is on the job sheet, yeah. Let me close that away and then let's come here. Now we are gonna do this link today, yeah, to design a report in Power BI. All right. So what we're gonna do is instead of doing it on your own computers, we're gonna practice the lab session given offered by Microsoft. Yeah. So when you do this chapter, actually, if you study on your own for this certification, they actually offer a lab portion, right, where they give you sorry, why is my mouse jumping away? Okay, so it's better now. So it gives you a free access to their online lab, yeah. So if you launch this, you'll get access to their lab. Now, in order to access this page, you need to be signed in, yeah. So you can use your own account to sign in, right? Okay, so that's one of the requirements here, the important requirement. This exercise will require you to log into a Power BI service. So you can use your existing account or you can create a trial account. All right. So what we're doing here is this. We're going to be launching this lab and then we will be running through such that we'll build a new dashboard. And for this, we are not using a CSV file. We're going to create a live connection. Yeah. That means when we get data, we are going to connect to a Power BI dataset instead. Yeah. And this is a live connection. Okay. So it's not like a data set that is downloaded and then that will be used later. Okay. It's the live connection. So you'll be designing pages like this. Yeah. A page like this. Now, there's one area I want you to pay attention to, which is here. Okay, so this is what the goal of this topic is about interactions. Yeah, so we are going to be learning how to filter the data by building slicers like this. Okay, so you guys know how to put in an image. You guys, now this is another way of filtering. This is a drop down. So we'll be learning how to build a drop down such that we can interact with this dashboard by selecting certain values. Yeah, or we can select regions. Yeah, and then we can interact with this dashboard. So we are learning how to filter this data, and in that way the view here will change. Yeah, you'll be seeing that. Okay, let me confirm I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. So the view here will change. Okay, so right now we see everything. If we select, let's say, for a year, a particular year, this view here will correspondingly change. So it allows us our dashboard to be interactive. Yeah, so there's a lot of steps to follow. So one of the parts of this video is such that I'm going to go through how to create all these slicer, and the key goal is a slicer because you guys already know how to do a visualization. Yeah, and we'll format the slicer and so on. Now the next thing I want to share about is we will have a few pages. Yeah, so we will design page 1, we will design a page 2. A page 2 will also look something like this. Yeah, with a filter and a matrix table. Yeah, so this will be done, and then there's also a inbuilt filter. Yeah, slicer is the term that Power BI use for selection filters. Yeah, there's also inbuilt filters where we can actually filter the entire page. Yeah, okay, so there's a filters pane that we have not used till now, so we will be also looking at how to do that. Okay, then we'll design a page 3, okay, with filters as well, so that we can interact with this dashboard. Yeah, okay, so there are 3 pages to design. You have these 3 pages that you need to complete, And then once you're done, you will be publishing your work. Or this step is not too important. More importantly, we want you to submit your work, okay, for us. Yeah, you can publish your work such that your this one, yeah, you see this, your XP will go up. Theoretically, it should go up, lah. Yeah, if you complete it, then I think you get 100 XP and so on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yep, recording. So if you click on Start Lab, you should be able to get in. Now, for my case, I'm not able to go in because I just completed my work. Yeah. So one important instruction to everyone: do not, when you're doing it, you have 3 hours of access. Yeah, to their virtual machine. Do not close your file away. If you close it, if you do not close your window away, sorry, if you close your window away, if you try and access it again, you might not be able to for quite a while. Yeah. Okay. So if not, once you click on it, you'll get all these instructions on how to do this. Yeah. And the password here is also given under the resources. Yeah. So whatever the password is here, okay, to log into your account, you have a new virtual machine like this. Yeah, in this window here, which is right now not being shown for me lah. But for you, it'll be shown, yeah, because I just completed my first attempt, so I'm not able to see it. So once you get into that virtual machine, you can then log in, yeah, using this password, and then you will be given a Power BI view, and then you can start designing, yeah. You open up your Power BI like how you open up in your normal desktop. You import the data, or in this case, we're not importing, we are creating a live connection, yeah. So if you follow these steps, yeah, step by step, after you log in, okay, then you open your Power BI desktop, yeah, and then you go in, and then on your home ribbon, yeah, this is where your publish is. We're not going to publish now. Now you'll be asked to enter your credentials, so you need to enter your username and account for Microsoft. Okay. So you publish to Power BI window and so on, yeah. So we will be creating a report, yeah. We'll be creating a report named sales report. Okay, in that report, we need to connect to a live data set. So when you get data, okay, in the later part, okay, you save the report first. And in the later part, when you get data, we're not getting CSV, okay? You're going to get Power BI data sets. All right, so try following through these instructions and then trying to design this page, okay? So you can follow the step-by-step instructions as well. Rename the page, drag in an image, yeah? Where to find the image, they will tell you, yeah? And so on. Okay, so all the instructions are here. So I would like you to try this on your own first, okay? So all the best. When you complete, I would like you to put in each of your image of your completed pages into your job sheet, yeah? So you will be inserting your screenshot here of page 1, screenshot of page 2 here, and screenshot of page 3 here. Okay? So this is the goal of this session.